Hey guys, Tom Kraut here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to plant some cabbage. But first, I need some gloves. Oh, there we go. Oh man, they gotta be dirty. That's better. Now, let's get on to the video.